welcome back to my channel. And today, as I told you, I'm gonna get an exhaust for my car. So today I'm at the shop and I'm gonna show you the exhaust I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna give you some options which I'm looking for, and I'm just gonna show you those exhausts. I think they are really nice exhausts. They are good company exhaust, and I do like HKS exhaust. Personally, HKS exhaust is just like the one I want to have on my car. So I'm just gonna show you that in the shop, and let's see what I'm gonna do with that. So these were the two exhausts I was looking for. So this is the HKS one, which I love, and I think this one would be the better one. But this is the other Netto one, and the exhaust tip is just like nice. It have the titanium look. If you burn the titanium, it looks like that. But still, I just love this, and this have a sleek look of the HKS exhaust, and I think I am gonna go for this. What do you think? What one would you choose for your car if you have a car and if you have a nice one? So what would you choose? I think this one would be better. So just comment down below all that, and I'll just let you know what I'm gonna go for. I think you will be able to see in the video, in the end of the video, which exhaust I'm going for, and I think this one is better. So I'm just gonna show you the process when I'm gonna install this. So this is the final product of the car, and this is the final exhaust. It looks like this. I didn't go for the outer look. It is just like sleek, and it is just going with the body line. So it does looks nice at this point. I think if I'm gonna like it, if I want to make it a little bit out, I can just change this and I can get it outer. At this point, I think this does look nice, and it is not hanging a lot. So it is at a really nice stage. So I just like it, and I'm just gonna start it. So it was done here. So guys, as I showed you, I just got the exhaust and it sounds nice. It is not the best sounding exhaust because I'm just like, at this point I just want to start from a normal exhaust, and after some time I'm gonna buy a built exhaust from them. And Bhaiya, what is your shop name and all that?
My shop name is Silencer House.
And what's your name?
Gurjot Singh.
Gurjot Singh. So you can come to this shop. I am gonna link down the address below, and I'm just gonna give all the description of this shop, and you can just come here and you can just tell my name, and he's just gonna hook you up and he's gonna help you really. So this is just like a really nice shop, and their quality, their work quality is just like really nice. It's just you have to take some time from them, and then you can just come here and it is gonna be flawless, and you are just gonna be happy with it. So at the end, I would like to ask you, how many company exhausts do you have? Like, which company exhaust do you have?
If you go for original, we have the Borla, and we are specialists for our customized mufflers.
Okay, so they are specialized customized muffler, and if you want a valvetronic exhaust, and if you want some valves in your exhaust, those exhausts are also available here. You can order any exhaust from them, they'll just get you.
Yes.
And I'm pretty sure you will get them exhaust, and you can just see they have all of the tips and some exhaust here for display, and you can just choose if you like some exhaust here, you can get them. And if you want a really nice exhaust which is just like, which sounds really nice, and they are just from a really nice company, and if you want to import from anywhere, they'll just do that for you. You just have to pay a little bit of fees, because that's just like a common thing. You have to pay something and then they'll get you the exhaust. So that would be really nice, and they are just like really nice. So you can just come here, you can mark my words, you'll just be happy with the quality of their work. So thank you, Bhaiya.